Yo, everybody. Hey, Timmy here with Aim Higher Photography. Hey, guys, I know I've been away for just a little bit. I was on vacation. And, guys, you guys know I bought the GoPro Max 2 for my vacation. I want to tell you guys about it and whether you should get it or leave it right where it is. All right, let's get it. Yeah, so guys, you saw it. Guys, this is the Max 2 by GoPro. They say it's 8K 360, guys. And I'm gonna just get right into it, guys. It is cool in theory, but it's not the most user-friendly camera if you want simple, fast results. What I mean by that, guys, you have to use this and you have to use it in post editing. The biggest issue is that it requires post-processing, unlike a regular GoPro camera. And you guys know I am big on GoPros, guys. I use multicam. I probably got about 15 GoPro Hero 13s around here somewhere. Unlike a regular GoPro camera where you can just record, import it, and use the clip, the Max 2, it makes it where you have to reframe everything afterwards, guys. And that's where I think it just falls short. You know, that means more time on the computer, more decisions to make, and just a more complicated workflow, in my opinion. Guys, you know, we buy these things to simplify our lives and stuff like that. And I don't believe that the Max 2 solves an issue. It actually creates more of an issue because of the post-processing that you have to do. So instead of getting ready to use shots straight out of the camera, you're often stuck choosing angles, adjusting the view, exporting again before you can even start editing normally. You know what I mean? So that's just my thing. I mean, so while the GoPro Max 2 gives you a lot of flexibility, that flexibility comes at the cost of simplicity. It can feel more, you know, it can feel more like work than it is worth, guys, in my opinion. Guys, not to mention that, you know, it requires another battery. Something else that you, oh, it's the battery still in here. It requires the battery because this battery here that goes in the Max 2 is different than the one that goes in the GoPro Hero 13. So now I have to, you know, get more batteries for the Max 2. And that's not something I'm willing to, I don't think the trade-off, right? I think this is more of a niche, you know, item here. If you don't mind post-processing, guys, go ahead and get the Max 2. If you want to simplify your life, definitely stay away from it. So yeah, this bad boy is going back. I'm done with it. You know, I tried it. It just did not work for me. You know, not to mention it doesn't work for everybody. It's just not something that I am willing to, you know, do right now. It's going to create another problem, and it's going to take time away from, you know, what I enjoy doing, you know, and stuff like that, you know, and yeah. It's not a problem solver. It's actually going to create more time away from family, work, play, all of that kind of good stuff. So guys, yeah, this is going back. Yeah, guys, sorry. And guys, once again, I'm a big fan of GoPro, right? I got, like I said, 15 of them or so. All of my cameras have them on there. So yeah, but this here, the Max 2, sorry, it's going back. Guys, please comment, like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Send me with Aim High Photography. I'm out. Yo. I didn't tell you guys about my Ray-Bans. Oh, my Ray-Ban glasses. Love them. I'm out.